morning, it's Fran and this is Frantoku Demo, and today we're going to do is Kamen Rider Zest DX Breakam Breaker. So here's the box, and we got here is the Breakam Breaker itself, the Lords, and the capsule include, and on the back is everything that you want to know about it, and on the side we got the Lords, on the other side we got the content, on the top we got the Breakam Breaker and the capsule include, and most of all is the warning choking hazard. So with no further ado, let the mission begin. And here it is, the Lord's primary sidearm. As you can see, it has the same pattern as the Breakam Zester. It has this maroon, deep blue, and some gold and silver in color. And just like the Zester, this is a retooled and there are some changes on it. Like a large curved blade with some sort like a bottle opener right here. And this part that have a stripe and a caution level which kind of looks familiar, and also this jagged blade, while the handle still looks the same and also have a extra part which is this curved pommel right here with a code logo. And now let's do the sounds and modes. So the breaker had 3 modes, and first we're going to do is the blade mode. So first we're going to remove the plastic strip. Then in the Zester fashion is by sliding the top to the bottom. Okay, so now we had the blade mode, which is Lord 3's primary weapon. And if you notice that this one is much bigger than the Breakam Zester, and because of this part. And now by pressing the trigger, so there are some heavy slashes on it. And now we're going to do the finisher. So we're going to bring back extra capsem, and here it goes. Okay, that is some kind of groovy. Okay, then there is a standby sound, and okay, so that's the Breakam divider, which is some sort of a heavy slash. Who knows? And now let's do the knuckle mode. So we're going to reattach it. You know how to do. Then we're going to turn this upside down and attach this on the top. Okay, so now we had the knuckle mode, which is Lord 5's weapon. This is basically axe mode, but it's a big knuckle duster due to these parts which act like a stud. And it also can be handled this way because you know how knuckle works. And by pushing the trigger, it produced this metallic clanking. Okay, so now let's do the finisher, and here comes back shock capsem, and here goes. Okay, here's that groovy sound again. Then stand by, and okay, so that's the Breakam Smash. So probably a very very hard punching thing sound. And lastly we do is the shoot mode. So going to reattach it again. Then turn upside down and attach right here. Okay, so now we had the shoot mode, which is Lord 6 primary arm, and it can be used by the others. So pressing the trigger for the gunshots. And now let's do the finisher. So let's bring it back. Panic Capsem, and here goes. Here's that music again. Stand by. And shoot. Okay, so that's the Breakam Blaze, which is a very powerful laser shot. And now let's do an extra, which is the sight mode. So you know how to do that. Okay, so unfortunately, it doesn't make any sound. And now let's do the Capsem include, which is the clear Capsem, which is purple in color, and inside is probably Lord 3 vanishing on a green background. So now let's bring back again Lord Invoker, and here goes. Kiko. Okay, so now let's do the finisher. Okay, then. Now with the Zets driver. Okay, so it says agent move out. Yeah. And here goes the finisher. Okay, so it said agent fatal, and here goes the other. And then with the Nox driver. Okay, so then finally, let's do the scanning. And that's it for the DX Breakcam Breaker. So thanks for watching, and until the next demo, mission over. Ciao.